Imagine an email experience so efficient it saves you hours each week. Welcome to Superhuman, the email app designed for professionals who demand speed, efficiency, and intelligence in their communication. Superhuman's instant reply features allows you to respond to emails in a fraction of the time, streamlining your workflow and keeping conversations moving. With Send Later, you can compose emails at your convenience and schedule them to send at the optimal time, ensuring your messages reach recipients when they are most likely to engage. Need to revisit an email? Snooze lets you temporarily remove messages from your inbox and have them reappear when it's the right time to address them. Say goodbye to clutters with Superhuman one-click unsubscribe features, instantly eliminating unwanted emails and keeping your inbox focused. Designed for speed, Superhuman offers an array of keyboard shortcuts, enabling you to navigate your inbox with lightning speed and minimal effort. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, Superhuman provides a seamless experience across devices, ensuring you stay connected and productive wherever you go. Professionals worldwide trust Superhuman to transform their email experience reporting significantly, saving time and enhance communication efficiently. Elevate your email game with Superhuman, the fastest, most efficient email app ever made. Join the ranks of top performers and reclaim your time today. Like, comment, share.